Want fast access to great ideas on making money online? Check this out. Most people enjoy the satisfaction of bringing in enough money to pay for their ongoing bills and then some. But what happens when you feel you have hit the ceiling for earning money in your current situation? If you would like to earn more than you are, earning money online could be just the thing for you. Read on to learn more. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Consider taking surveys. There are lots of paid surveys to be taken. Doing surveys can bring in some extra cash. Depending on the site, they usually don't pay much. However, you can easily do these things when you have some downtime, and you can make quite a bit of money when things add up. Determine how much value your time has before you begin working online. What is the least hourly wage you would accept? If you do not mind working for a lower wage, you will never raise your earnings. No one will pay you more if you're willing to accept less. To make real money online, it'll take some time to get it all down. Try finding the niche or industry that you are familiar with and mingling to start with. Find a mentor and make sure to do your homework. Be open to new opportunities and you'll never fail. Diversify your income streams as much as possible. There aren't any online money-making opportunities that come with guarantees. What works today may not work tomorrow. It's best to have a variety of income streams. Doing this will ensure that any underperformance in one area will not break you. If you have good writing skills, you can write and sell ebooks. It is a great way to write about something you love, earn some cash. Recipes are something you could start talking about with your ebook. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. Sell ebooks online. In recent years, self-publishing has gained significant popularity. The opportunity to make money is very good, provided you can write or offer expertise in a particular topic or field. You can pick from a variety of publishing platforms online. Some offer a commission rate as high as 70%. As you can see, there are a number of ways to get started with earning money online. Anyone with a computer and internet connection can do it. The advice shared here is just a start. You will be amazed at how many opportunities there are. Good luck and go earn some money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.